Hello, Armit here, Realtor with REMAX Northwest Realty Brokerage. If you've been looking for an opportunity to live in Eagle River, Ontario, then this home and property are definitely something you need to check out. Welcome to 331 Townline Road, located about 20 minutes west of Dryden, off of Highway 17 and just off of Highway 594. This property has 4.68 acres with a home that was built in 2010, has over 2,150 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, 1 4-piece bath, main floor laundry, open concept kitchen, dining, and living room areas, as well as a beautiful 4-season sunroom which faces the river. As an added bonus, we also have a cabin on this property you could use either as a guest cabin or a rental opportunity. This cabin has a living room, kitchen, a 4-piece bathroom, and 1 bedroom. Nestled on the shores of Eagle River, you're only a short boat ride to Eagle Lake, Ontario, which is world-renowned for its muskie, northern pike, walleye, and trout fishing, to name a few. But don't take my word for it, I think there's a lot here that you need to see. Come on, let's go for a walk.